Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine multiple columns into just one cell. So for instance, I've got some street, city, state, and zip code information here. And if I didn't want this all to be in separate columns, I can easily merge that all together. And to do that, there's a couple ways that you could do it. One is using the ampersand, which is what I prefer. And I'll show you how to do that. So if I just type equals, select cell that I want, and then hold shift number 7, which give me the ampersand, and then I can select the next column that I want to pull from, and I can keep on repeating that way. Now one thing you'll notice is as I've done that, there's no space between the road and then the city names. So what I can do there is add another ampersand. Well, first I'll create an empty space, empty quotes, and another ampersand. Same thing between B and C, another ampersand. And then between C and D, it's the state and zip codes. So, here I might want to use a comma instead. So I'll put a space, I'll put a comma rather than a space, an ampersand. And so, if I wanted to add another space after that, I can merge it that way. So this is a really easy way to combine multiple columns. And then if I just do the flash fill, double click here, it'll apply for everything else. Another way that you can do this is using the concatenate formula. Concatenate. And then so if I just select, A, B, C, and D, it effectively does the same thing as what I did with the ampersand. Now if I wanted to add those spaces in, I can do the same thing here. I can do put a space, or sorry, empty quotes. Empty quotes. And then if here I do the comma again. Now the main difference here is I'm separating them as arguments. I'm putting a comma between everything I want to add. With the ampersand, I was using an ampersand. So it's really a matter of preference. I've always used ampersand. I've never had an issue. But concatenate works just as well. But rather than having to spell out concatenate, I figure it's a lot easier to just hit shift and number 7 and get an ampersand. But either one of these ways, you'll be able to combine all these columns into one if you wanted to, and it's just a matter of just copying it down. So either one of these methods will work, and that's a quick and easy way of how you can combine multiple columns into one cell. That's it for that. Thanks for watching.